Good morning! Welcome to another episode. Early bird will catch the worm. Today is the day that I'm heading to Mawkyrwat. Checking, is it true or what? Did I say it right? Yes, Mawkyrwat. Today is also a market day. And there is so many people who have said that, hey, Paduaki, come to Mawkyrwat. Today is the day. Let's go roam around and see how is the place. I researched a little bit. It's also very beautiful area. Unfortunately, today is raining, but what to do? The power of nature, you cannot do anything. You just need to receive it. You just need to manage. Like a Bruce Lee say, be a water. Join me on this wonderful journey. Let's go. What to do? But we are popping the old song of Khasi. Ruba Priev. Da, 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 da. I think it's a love song or what? I still need to little bit practice. Just a little bit. So that is the reason. We are moving again so we can continue our journey. Let's go. Mawkyrwat. It's my second stop on the journey. I have no idea where I am. Somewhere in the village. And as I eat breakfast fruits, now it's time to eat rice because I'm very hungry. So let's go and check it out if they have some dosniang. Dosniar. That's what I eat. Let's go check it out. It's a rainy day and I'm very happy that my wife told me that take a chantamo. I show you my chantamo. It is actually not freezing, but it's actually cold here. So it was very good. I was first thinking that why she said to me take a chantamo, but the wisdom of the wife, it's the next level. Hello guys. So here is my chantamo. This is my chantamo. Oi! Shayo. You have chicken, Pamja. You have chicken.
Dojam.
Huh? Dojam. Oh, Dojam. Doka. What is this village? Marpana village. Okay. Yes. Oh. Okay, photo. Oh, photo. Okay.
Yang.
Pila dem tungtap. Sopan potato. Oh, sopan. Maram. You speak Maram here?
Yes.
Maram you speak. Oh. In Maram, what you can say? You teach me some Maram.
Potato sopan.
Okay, sopan. Ma.
Tomato
Sosao. And then salad. Salad. Hah?
Ceprodok.
Caprodok. Caprodok. Ah. Caprodok. Ma, caprodok. Who plays Shibu? Ma. Sasau. In Sasau, maram Sasau. Ah, Sasau. Chasau. Hana Mute.
Where you going?
I go Mawkyrwat. Mawkyrwat.
My village.
Your village there? Oh, I go there. Because today is market.
Yes.
Market day, ma. Okay, so let's try how this maram side food tastes. And tumtap, of course. Okay, let's go, ma. Okay, go play, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you. Go play, ma. Nice food. I didn't actually like before tumtap, but now we are friends. One thing, actually I just took a chicken. Immediately when I take a first bite, I could recognize that it's a local chicken. Obviously, taste is more better. And the second thing is the, you know, how it feels in your mouth. You can feel it. Difference between broiler and local chicken. Okay, guys, done for eating. Great food. Now, next, Mawkyrwat. I think I say it right. Let's go. Mawkyrwat, 15 kilometers. After this, welcome to southwest Khasi hills. And before that, look what river we have here. I think better not to swim. Look, pretty powerful river. Maybe you can just put your legs there, but not swimming. Let's check it out for the other side. I don't know if this is also a place where people wash clothes. Actually, yes, I think so. They do. Beautiful place of Meghalaya. Let's go and roam around in a market and a town. I don't know if there is a town, but we will see it only. Bye. They are going to play guitar somewhere. Let's go. Hello guys. Where is market? So I need to go left side. What is the school? Which school?
This is Maharam Government Higher Secondary School.
Which one?
Maharam Government Higher Secondary School.
Oh, is it a good school or what?
Yes, it's a very good school. Yes.
Okay.
It's been here for about more than 100 years.
Oh, like that?
Yes.
So it's old school?
This time.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I will go market more. Okay. Like that. So guys, we have finally arrived. Now I just need to find the market. Welcome to Mawkyrwat. And Mau actually means stone or rock. Hello. Oi! Hello, Shayo! Shano! I think maybe the market is on that side. We will see when the car is coming. We will see also if we can park it. Hane. One way this one. Okay. Hey, Hane. Parking is there. Okay, how I go? How I can go? I need to go there. Okay. Toto. Driving in the wrong way, but no problem. We are on the track now. I like this town. Tiny town like that. Tiny roads also. Let's try to find the market here. Where is the market? Shayo only.